Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at DIY project ideas and react to them. So this first one involves the use of clay. It's like they're just kind of folding it, shaping it up. Okay, so they did add some texture here. Not quite sure what they used, but then they go in and do a little bit of sanding, and then they add this like pearl looking colored paint. Oh, that looks really pretty. Oh, it's just a nice little decorative piece. Oh, that's a really simple project. Nothing too complicated, very beginner friendly, and obviously you can mold it to any shape that you desire. That's pretty fun. So there's another look at the piece. Alright, so the next one involves some fabric and some wooden hoops. Actually, I'm not quite sure what this is. It kind of looks like some type of sponge material. So she placed that on some kind of top to make a stand. Oh, maybe she's making like, oh, a little lamp. A lamp vase. Okay, because I was going to say maybe she's making a little lamp, but a lamp vase. Wow, this is pretty cool. Yeah, I'm not sure what like fabric she used for that, but that is really pretty. Wow. Very cool idea. You could also do fairy lights too if you didn't want to do the puck light. Alright, so then we have like these very old-fashioned vases. They look like they like thrifted them, maybe. So they're spray painting them black. Nope, and there's the vase. Ooh, she put roses in them. I love roses. I love the aesthetic. This is such a theatrical video. Alright, so moving into the next one. Looks like they're making a stand for something, or maybe a candle holder. Oh, it's a planner. Oh, that's cute. It's so tiny and cute. That's adorable. Oh, look at that candle. Very cool. Alright, so we have some type of jar here or bowl. And then they're making a design with a glue gun. Spray painting it. I like that textured design they did. That's really cool. Ooh, this is like a nice little like glam DIY, which is definitely my style. Oh, that's pretty. A nice little rhinestone bowl. Oh, she put their jewelry in there. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, I absolutely love it. And then we have a DIY that involves a bowl and a cup. So she must be, yeah, I was gonna say she's probably making that pedestal bowl. Very popular trend right now on TikTok. And in home decor in general. Ooh, that came out so beautiful. Look at all the neutral shades here. The canvas artwork. Oh, this is pretty. So it looks like we have another vase revamp here. Add in some clay to the side. Ooh, I really like that backsplash. That is just blinged out. Okay, so it looks like they're adding that clay around the perimeter to really give it a nice shape. This is pretty. I like how they put their own spin on it and did something different. Oh, very nice. Wow, that came out so good. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.